Hello there, Pierre Repair here. This cabin air filter is from my used 2019 BMW 4 Series. And look at this thing. If you go in between, you're gonna see more dirt, leaves, gunk, everything. So I decided to replace this thing, knowing the year of the vehicle. Now, this is an original filter, and you see the arrow. The arrow indicates airflow. Whenever you're trying to install one of these, you need to follow airflow, and the arrow should point in the direction of airflow. A lot of the times, if you're doing this stuff by yourself, you don't know the direction of airflow. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the direction of airflow. I'm going to start in a vehicle that's somewhat common to everybody, and every other manufacturer out there put a cabin air filter behind the glove box, and that's what we're going to do first, and then we're going to move on to something else. And this vehicle here has the cabin air filter behind the glove box, as I said, and we're going to go behind it and I'm going to show you. And the cabin air filter should be installed on top of the blower motor. The blower motor is what blows air with the vents. Let's go behind it. Yep, this cabin air filter is sitting right in there. I thought I replaced this thing, but apparently not. I'm gonna pull it out and show you. So it's on top of the blower motor, and the blower motor should be under there, right? That's where the blower motor sits. Get some good lighting on there. And if you go down this way, you're gonna see that's the blower motor down there, right? And we have the cabin air filter on top of it. This is a very common setup among manufacturers. And guess where our airflow is? Airflow is going to be towards the blower motor, because the blower motor draws air towards it, right? So it's going to be downward. The arrow then should be pointing down. I don't know if you can see that. Let the camera focus. Yeah, the air, see air. This is already a bad one. It's really dirty. The arrow is pointing down, where it's supposed to be pointed at, towards the blower motor, down, because the blower motor draws air towards it. If you don't know where airflow is, you can always turn the system on, which I have it on right now. Key on, engine off, and got a piece of paper. I don't know, the lighting is really bad. I'm using only two hands doing multiple things. Get a piece of paper, put it in there. See how it's drawing the paper down? That's airflow. See, the paper is going down. Airflow is always towards the blower motor. You can always turn on your system to see where the airflow is going. And the blower motor is drawing the air from the outside down and into the HVAC system inside the vehicle. That's airflow. If you don't know, turn it on and then, check out where airflow is. I'm going to show you guys another setup. This one is a different beast. It's got the cabin air filter under there. We got to remove all those pieces under there for me to be able to show you. But in fact, the blower motor is sitting around here, where you see that raised area there, and then it blows the air towards the cabin air filter, and then it goes, in the vents in the HVAC system. So let's find out where airflow is on this one. All right, here's what we're dealing with. Blower motor here, big round thing right there, cabin air filter. See that kind of arch? That's the cabin air filter. It's got 2 T15 screws, I think I gotta remove, and then just slide it down. See? Blower motor blows the air away from it towards the cabin air filter and then into the HVAC system. This cabin air filter I replaced before. It's brand new, as you can see. See? You can feel it in the weight, because this thing is expensive. This thing is almost $100. Yep, it's not cheap. And then Got our airflow right there. Don't know if the camera focused on it. You can see this one better since it's brand new. Alright, let's find out airflow. I'm gonna turn it on. Let's turn the system on. See where the airflow is. So you can hear it. Cabin air filter goes in there. So airflow is let's see. Yep. Airflow is in there. Let's take it out. Airflow's that way. Show it better. Yep. Airflow's that way. Towards the entire HVAC system. Yep. And hope this helped. Because this one's different. If you don't know where airflow is, just get your stuff in there. But I know that the blower motor is supposed to blow air away from it, because since we're not on top or the bottom of it, we're on the side of it. Just gotta blow the air towards the entire HVAC system, and that's exactly what it's doing right now. Let's try this again. Yep, this is our airflow. Alright guys, hope this video helped you out. If it did, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with somebody. Thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate you. Bye-bye.